See the smile, you don't see the scars. Listen. Don't judge a book by the cover you see. Yeah. You see the. Don't judge a book by the cover you see. That quiet soul might be fighting to breathe. Love one another, show grace undercover. You don't know the storm they weathered in the thunder. Listen more, talk less, that's the code. Lend a hand when the weight get heavy on the road. We all got battles that we never display, so choose love every time, every day. You see designer shoes but not the broken home. See a loud attitude but not the nice alone. See a smile on the face, think they living fine, but you don't see the war going on inside their mind. That single mom juggling 2 jobs straight. That young boy acting tough cause he carrying weight. That quiet girl in class don't speak too much, might be fighting battles you could never touch. Everybody got a chapter they don't read out loud. Pain don't always cry, sometimes it's proud. We quick to judge from a distance view, but empathy different when it's you. Don't judge the book by the cover you see. That quiet soul might be fighting to breathe. Love one another, show grace undercover. You don't know the storm they weathered in the thunder. Listen more, talk less, that's the code. Lend a hand when the weight get heavy on the road. We all got battles that we ever display, so choose love every time, every day. He might be angry but he really just hurt. She might seem distant but she question her worth. Some people smiling just to hide the rain. Some people joking just to mask the pain. Before you speak, take a second to think. Your words might push somebody close to the brink. Kindness costs nothing but it's worth so much. Sometimes all somebody need is a human touch. Sit down, hear them out, let them vent. Presence over presence, that's heaven sent. A hand on the shoulder, I got you, it's cool. Compassion, the strongest thing you can use as a tool. We all walk through fire, just different flames, different storms, different scars, different pains. If we led with love instead of pride, half the hurt in the world would subside. So don't judge a book by the cover you see. You don't know the chains they tryna break free. Love louder than the hate you hear. Be the light when the skies ain't clear. Listen more, give more, stand tall above. The realest flex in this world is love. Yeah. You see the smile, you don't see the scar. Listen, yeah, you see the smile. Yeah. Yeah, 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 you see the smile. You see the smile. You see the smile. Yeah. You see the smile, you don't see the scars.